I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ad. So this account is actually the account I use as a social media manager to manage accounts for different businesses and individuals. So I'm going to use it to show you how to run Facebook ads perfectly. So here is my Facebook, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to search for Ads Manager. All right, this is Ads Manager. So what do? I click on it. I click on the Ads Manager. So it's loading. See, welcome, launching Ads Manager. So it's trying to take me to Ads Manager. So this is Ads Manager. All right, so this is Ads Manager. So when you create your Facebook page, this is where it will take you to. So what do? You click on create. You click on create. Yeah, you click on create. So there are different ways of running ads. So this is one of the reasons it's good to run ads with your, this is just I'm just using this because I can't open other places. These are the things I use to teach my class. Okay, so this is brand awareness. So if you are choosing, even Facebook explains it to you. Brand awareness is, you shows you ads to people. They will show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. You know, when you are watching television, you see people, Indomie, Malta Guinness, Kabisa, and the rest of them advertising, just like Bebo's and everything. They are just advertising for you to see, for you to know about the product. So whenever you are buying something like that, like if you want to buy noodles, Indomie noodles will get to your ear, to your, say, okay, let me even buy Indomie noodles. So they do super amazing advert. Then when you want to buy canned drinks or energy drinks, you remember Kabisa. So that is why those things, or like you want to buy things online, you remember Gigi, you remember Jumia, you remember Konga, and the rest of them. So that is the essence of brand awareness. Then we have for traffic. Traffic is where people will be coming to your page, your website, profile visits, and everything. So some send people to destination like your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook profile. So people will just be coming there. So for engagement is let's say people will begin to comment, comment on your post, like, what engagement is, reacting, like comment and everything. So lead, this one is actually for those that have website. So where you fill forms, get messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So that's what the lead, like you hear people talk about lead generation, where people will call you and all of that. So that's it. Everything is explained here by Facebook. So it's super easy and simple when you are using your laptop, because if you are using phone, you will be limited, but if you are using your laptop, you will not be limited. This one is for app promotion, like those that build apps for people to download and everything. So then we have for sales, like this one, you want people to contact you, make inquiries about your products, and place order. So this is the type of campaign you need to run. So which one are you choosing? We can just choose anyone for learning purpose. Okay, so you click on brand awareness and move on with it. You click on brand awareness and move on with it. So this is it. You started your brand awareness campaign. You can say new awareness campaign for Mama Rice. Mama Rice, this is just an example. So this is the only thing you will do here. You see, your campaign objective is brand awareness. So you click on next. When you click on next, you can change this name to anything, or you leave it like that, but it doesn't matter. Let's just leave it like that to avoid wasting time and data. So you are on the name of your Facebook page. that you want to use to run the ads will show. You see this one is showing Kabisa. I can change it to Chiptos Tea, Vitel Tea, Spice Madam, or anything depending on the page that I'm running. All right, so you go down to choose your budget. How much are you going to budget per day? See, now they are telling you your budget must be at least 1,600 and 2 naira 50 kobo, or your ads may not deliver. Please increase your budget, because this is at 995 naira. So you can do so the least you can do is, let's say, 106 naira, 1,602 naira 50 kobo. That's the least you can do. So you can do 1,700, you can do from 1,700 and above, you can do 10,000. Like for Kabisa, we have the one we do 10,000 per day, we have the one we do 20,000 per day. And they are telling me my daily budget looks higher than usual. If it's correct, you can ignore this warning. So this one now, um let's just leave it like that. So is when you don't have enough money in your ad, you get. So this is when they might give you this message. Then you choose your start date from June 1, starting by 06:24 a.m, depending. But with this past 6, so you can change, can do 10, you can do 10 p.m to 10 a.m, you understand. So June 1, 2025, starting from 10 a.m. Then end date, you can put the date it will end, or you leave it to continue to run. So when you come, you just go and turn it off yourself. Okay, so the ad is going to run for 30 days. You can choose to run for 10 days, 20 days. Then I notice a lot of people, they will pay you money to run ads for them for 3 days, for 5 days. Even for your, from what I have seen so far, and Facebook has told me this before, for your ad to run properly and deliver results, you have to leave it for 7 good days. That's the discussion Facebook had with me. So I don't know why people will say run ad for me for 3 days, run ad for me for 2 days. Let's see. See, if you really want to get a better result, you have to give it time. Don't do shortcut. This is why a whole lot of people seem as if things they are doing, they are not working, because everything they are just giving it a try. They don't want to come out properly, they don't want to come out in full force. So these are one of the things you should learn. Then here, when it comes to location, you can click here to choose the location you want it to run. You want to run in Nigeria. So here you can click now to search. You can click here now to search. Let's say Lagos. You can choose Lagos. You get. So Lagos will pop up. Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is big, and a whole lot of places in Lagos are developed. So I advise, when you are choosing, choose the whole of Lagos. Then you can choose Suleja, Niger State. The developed places are in Suleja, Niger State, Abi Mina, that kind of thing. You can choose Suleja, Nigeria. Then you can choose Mina too. You can choose Mina. You see, Mina, Niger State has popped up. You click on it, or you can choose the entire state by just writing Niger State. So what else? You choose Ondo. So this is where you choose all the states you want your ad to be seen. Like when I run ad, there are ads I don't run in the northern part of Nigeria. There are also ads that I run in the northern part of Nigeria. So after choosing the locations that do your you want to do your run your ads, you want them to see your ads, patronize you. So after that, there's another thing you need to do. You click on show more options. So this is where you will choose audience. Like you want to choose like now they're telling you to search for audience. That's demographic. Sorry, I forgot to tell you something. So it depends on the type of people you are targeting. Are you targeting humans of all ages or adults? But it's usually advised that you target those from 18 years above, because they are adults and that can easily make their decision. Sorry, I should have told you that before going to demographic. All right. So after that, then you come to detailed targeting. This is where you target people or demographics, the interest and behavior. So when you click here, then they will tell you to search or browse. So when you click on browse, you will see demographic, you will see interest, you will see behavior. So you click on demographic first. Do it. Okay, when it comes to education, what level of education are you looking for? Those in the university, PhD, high school, that kind of different educational levels. So you click, and field of study, you can say, okay, those studying pharmacy, if you are selling pharmaceutical products or for students, then type of school, undergraduate, so everything is being here. So you choose the type of people, um you choose the type of people you want to see, you want to sell to, or you want them to see your product. The work relationship, parents, like if you click here now, you will see. Right, we are not going to interest here. So if you click here now, you see those in relationship, work, the type of work some people are doing, parents, life events, financial, that the financial level of people you want to see your product or something. So this is it. So after choosing, is you that is running the ad, and you know what to do. Like for teas, I'll just choose, for my teas and spices, I'll click on level of education to choose. This finance is usually for US based, doesn't work here in Nigeria. Life events, if people are doing their birthdays, they can decide to buy my drinks, they can decide to cook with my spices and everything. Relationship, you can click here. Um, you can click here. Is it those that are engaged, those in a relationship, those that are married, those that are single, or unspecific? So it depends. Then you go to interest. When you go to interest, you see business and industry, so entertainment, family and relationship. Obviously, I will choose fitness and wellness because I'm into that. I will choose food and beverages, their hobbies, anybody that the audience resonates with your product or your target audience. So you just click on them. Then when it comes to behaviors, then you have anniversary, mobile device users, consumer classifications, so many of them. You just click to select anyone that fits into your ad, and that is it for this particular session. So you click on next. So when you click on next, that's you're getting to the final stage. So the page is already choosing. Then are you using a single image or video, or you are using, carousel means two or more scrollable images or videos. Then collection, you have group of, look at what I'm talking about here: single image, one image or video, or a video, a slideshow with multiple images. When you slide, and you see this one, slide one, slide two, slide three. Carousel, that is two or more scrollable images or videos. You already know that. Where you can scroll, okay, this is the first, second, third, that's it. Then collection, you can group your ads, like you want them to see. You have like 80s, you have like 10 teas or 10 spices or 10 products you want them to run together. That is when you collect them in a group and all of that. So after that, you go to where you want your ad to be delivered: on WhatsApp, on Messenger, on website, but if you don't have website, it's going to be on WhatsApp and Messenger. So after all of that, your WhatsApp number is there, so where your customers can send a message to you, or to make inquiries, and you close the sale. So the next thing is set up ad creative. So here you are going to choose whether it's an image or a video. So anyone you click on, it will open. Let me click on this. You see, so some of the things will upload here, or you do a fresh upload from your computer or laptop from here. You understand? You click here, it will take you to your laptop or computer. You choose whatever you want to choose. So you choose what. If you click, for example, you click this, you make it here. Yeah, so it will upload here. So you click on next. So it has uploaded. This is it. You click on next. So when you click on next, you see, so the things are showing properly, because it will even, they will position themselves for you. You see, so the next thing you will do, you click next. After uploading, then chat with us. Do you describe your product, whatever you want to write here, you write. You do your product description, you know. Then your call to action, is it on Instagram or any other platform? Get direction, get quotes, order now, whatever you want to put there, you put. Then you click on done, you know. So here you click on done. So now, um after clicking on done, the image will show here. You see, the image will show here. Yeah, so this is when your ad starts showing. This is what you're going to see. This video is getting longer, so this is what you're going to see. You write your product description like I said here. So there are other things, your product description, you ensure, so it will show you how your image or your photo will appear on Instagram, on Facebook, on Messenger, you know, different places they will run to show you. Then here is a short message. You can edit it to fit into, well, hi, let's know how we can help you. You can edit it to say, oh, welcome to Cheetos Tea, we sell blah 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 teas, you know, that kind of thing. Then the second questions, where can I buy? Oh, please, you can place. So don't let them waste your time. So as you are typing the message, the frequently asked question, here you just greet first. So when you are typing the frequently, please try and add a response. So those that have sense will go with it immediately. While those that are always saying I'm interested, you just ignore them because they waste your time. You know. So after that, you just click publish. Once you click publish, your post will be your ad will be published, scheduled for running, and once it's time, it will pick and start running. So this is it, the easiest way to run Facebook ads. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching.